Hello, I'm Nick Holzman, WAGO's product manager for electrical splicing connectors. Welcome to another Product Manager Minute. Today, I would like to discuss our 887 series L-Boxx. WAGO now offers pre-filled and sorted splicing connector sets available in two sizes, the L-Boxx Mini and the L-Boxx Micro. These kits offer a very convenient solution for storing all of your WAGO splicing connectors. They can be snapped together with other L-Boxxes, allowing for easy storage and transport in your vehicle or on the job site. The L-Boxx comes pre-filled with either our popular 221 series or our newly released 2773 series connectors. These connectors have a range of 10 to 24 gauge for solid, stranded, and fine stranded wire and are rated for up to 600 volts and 30 amps. These two series come with our patented cage clamp or push wire technology, which allow for a faster, safer, and tool-free connection. To learn more and see where to purchase one today, please click on the link in the text above. Thank you for watching.